Well, hey, good morning. It is October 19th. It's Brian up here in Kingfield, Maine. And I had a guy that texted me and said, hey, what's the difference between that K you've got listed and those sovereigns? So I told him I would make him a short video, and I decided to go ahead and just make one and put it on YouTube here, just since I've got all three of these listed right now. What this is sort of a sound check. I'm going to try to keep it really short between a K OO OM sized solid spruce top laminated mahogany back and sides versus a Sovereign H1203 Harmony solid spruce top solid mahogany back and sides and a Sovereign H1204 black solid spruce top birch back and sides. All of them have had my X-brace conversion, so they've all got 1/4 inch tapered and sometimes scalloped. If you want to look at individual videos, look through my YouTube and you'll see individuals on all these guitars. So they've all been X-braced. They've all got solid rock maple bridge plates. There goes my cuckoo clock. That's my trademark. It always seems to go off in the middle of a video. X-bracing with Sitka spruce. Rock maple bridge plates. They've all had neck resets. They're all running Mapes phosphor bronze strings. The K is running 10 to 47s, very light because there's no truss rod in that neck. The Sovereigns are both running 11 to 52s. But anyway, I'm going to start off with the K because that's what he had called and asked me about. Very simple, unadorned K. 1950s era, I'm guessing. I think it might be something called an L36. When he called to ask me what I thought of the three different ones, I kind of thought, well, the K reminds me of something that you'd think someone in the village was playing back in like 1962. Try to play sort of the same songs for each one and it still not make this too long. This is the H1203 solid spruce, solid mahogany. And lastly, let's go with the H1204. I'm calling it my rat rod. Style back to the K. See if I can switch right to this. Anyway, that's 7 minutes. That's about as long as I'm going to go. Again, H1203, 1960s. Solid mahogany back and side. Solid spruce top. X-braced. New bridge plate. 10th inch thick hard rock maple. K, 1950s. Maybe an L36 model. Solid spruce top. Laminated mahogany. Refinished back and sides. X-braced. Maple bridge plate, original bridge, reshaped neck. This one's got a V shape. I carved it like a modified V, similar to my 1930s Gibson-made Recording King. And H1204, 1972, I believe, solid spruce top, birch back and sides. This one is the Rat Rod Resto Mod. It's had everything done to it. X-bracing, new bridge plate, neck reset, all new frets, new truss rod, reshaped neck with some Art Deco styling painted on the back, new tuners. So this thing is pretty much all new guts. It's just got, you know, your basic rough rat rod paint job left on it. That black is just a bummer to work with. So anyway, they're all here on my Reverb shop. Thanks a lot for watching. See ya.